We're here reporting live from the windiest state on Earth. Okay, see this? That's from one ride. I need to find a better protectant for my motorcycle and car. If you've been at the channel for a while, you know that I am meticulous about keeping my car and my motorcycle spotless. I gotta let you guys know right off bat that this is not a product endorsement at all. This is a service to the Rated R Cars family. I have found a great value-priced protectant and sealant for your car and motorcycle. It's a one-step, you just spray it on, you wipe it off, your car is beautiful, it's protected, and without wasting any of your time, here's why I like it. First of all, as someone who's been using $55 a bottle F11 for about 2 years now, I am totally appreciating this Fanatic 007 Gloss Enhancer, which is a ceramic detailer and spray sealant that I paid under 20 bucks for on Amazon. As you guys know, I am meticulous about keeping my car and my motorcycle spotless. This motorcycle has never seen the same microfiber cloth twice. Now I am gonna put this in my Amazon storefront. The link is below. You guys are awesome for always supporting the channel by shopping there. Doesn't cost you guys any extra money, but it does help the channel. First of all, it's the small things that matter in life to me. Actually, as someone who details a lot, this is not a small thing, but the trigger of this is the most premium trigger I have ever seen. This thing is like the Mercedes, nay, the Bugatti of spray nozzles. Quickly detail without any water. I keep my Ducati 1260S, my Moto Guzzi V7 Carbon Dark, and I will keep my 2021 Monster Plus whenever it arrives from Italy, spotless with this 007 gloss. As you know well, if you ride a bike, the road hits your bike with everything. Similar for a car, it's gonna hit the front of your car with everything. In order to protect yourself, you absolutely need a sealant like this. It protects. It's a ceramic detailer and spray sealant. You spray it on, it locks into place, protects your car. Pardon the hurricane behind me. This is anti-static. So I just parked this bike for about 10 minutes the other day outside and it was covered with pollen already. By the time I was done riding home, the pollen actually blew itself off the bike. That's not something that I've ever seen. Other spray protectants that I've used before have stuff sticking on there like a glue, so you have to wipe it off again. If anything gets on the bike, I've got a duster for it. I can just wipe it off really quick, and it still has that nice sheen just like you just cleaned it. It's got hydrophobic protection. You spray it all over the bike. You can spray it on any surface like plastics, metals. You can put it on the rims, and the water's just gonna roll off. And when the water rolls off, the dirt rolls off with it. Less cleaning. Although my vehicles are usually garaged, if they're in a parking lot somewhere, this has UV protection to protect your bike from the harsh elements. Now, we don't love material things here at Rated R Cars, such as our cars, our motorcycles, our fancy automatic air guns. We like things, we appreciate things, we take care of things. But when is the last time you appreciated God for putting you on this earth? When's the last time that you thought, if God didn't create me, I wouldn't exist forever? Here's some words of wisdom. You can even spray this on as you're drying your car to give you that sheen, that protection, and also to avoid getting scratches as you wipe that microfiber cloth over your car. And lastly, at 20 bucks, you can spray this as liberally as you want, depending on how intense you want the shine and the protection to be, and you don't have to worry about going broke. But enough jibber jabber. Let's take a look at it in action. If you're like me and you spoil your cars, you're gonna wanna check my Amazon storefront for these bad boys right here. A 50-pack of microfiber cloths that are nice, high quality, not super thick, but just enough to use once and throw away, or use once on your vehicles and then use them for household stuff or for like garage rags. I think it was like 15, 16 bucks for 50. That's awesome. On the storefront. So do a quick spray on my bike here and then we'll take a look at it on the GT350. Goes on nice and smooth. Smells delicious. It's like a berry. Get out of there, little piece of leaf. Brings pleasure to my nostrils. Look at that shine. Gorgeous. We'll hit it with the other side. Let's go over real quick with a dry microfiber cloth. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the GT350. That was loud. wonder my neighbors don't talk to me. I love black, man. It shines so awesomely, but it does get dirty as. See if we can rectify that. Now this has got dust on it. All right, see that little question mark shaped thing? Let's take care of that. Trusty microfiber. Again, at less than 20 bucks, you can spray on as much as you want of this stuff. Now this is actually on the Expel protectant, so it also works on vinyl wraps, things of that nature. Actually, what we can do is we'll do the vinyl stripe after this. Comes right off. It doesn't streak. It sounds like an infomercial, but I love this stuff so much. I just wanted to share this with you guys like ASAP. Look at that. You can see me even better now. So it's protected and it is shiny as can possibly be. Let's put it on the vinyl wrap. So I'm not so meticulous with the GT350 because my dealer washed it and slaughtered it. So it needs to be, you know, buffed out completely. So there it is. Still, it even works on vinyl. There's your dirt on there. I'm going to share something awesome that I just discovered with you guys. I always see those advertisements, which I always consider to be silly, putting the bottle on the car and see if it slides off. So I just thought, you know what, for fun, let's just do it. Watch what happens. First, we're going to put it on the unfinished side. Unfinished side. And then we're going to put it on the side that I just sprayed with this Fanatic 007 gloss. Okay. That is awesome. I always thought that stuff was like a gimmick, but it's actually true. That is so cool. That is so cool. Guys, again, this is on my storefront. Fanatic is a good guy. I know him. I talk to him sometimes. Let's talk about Phil from Fanatic. If there is anyone who makes auto products that you can trust, okay, you know how meticulous I am about cleaning my cars and bikes. Phil is like, he's off the charts, dude. He is the epitome of cleanliness, sparkliness for cars, protection for cars. It does not get any better than Phil. So when he started making this stuff, I knew that, like, you know, he would do the best. He has a history in detailing. He's a super smart guy. He's got a ton of cars. He's got like an Alfa Romeo, a Ferrari, everything. So check out his channel. But yeah, so if there's anyone you can trust with your car, it would be Phil from Fanatic. All right, so yeah, that's it, guys. It's highly recommended. I'm gonna be using this from now on. I cannot believe that I would even pay so much money for some of these other spray sealants that are not even like ceramic ones, when you can get this for about 20 bucks, maybe a little bit more. Depends on where you buy it. So once again, if you want some of this, hit up the Amazon storefront. Link is below. You guys rock. Always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.